Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC sedan. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 17-inch split Y-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. A Linden wood trim. Heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A rear view backup camera. Hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 40,294 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.